If you're just starting out, you might be scratching your head about where to put a shadow or highlights or how to blend colors so your characters pops off the page. And hey, what if you don't have a drawing tablet? Don't worry, this video got you covered. And we might even bend the rules a bit together. Check these two lines. They look the same bright, but there's difference. When you select them, you'll see one is a path and the other is a shape. When I color the first one, it doesn't fill in completely because it's an open path. The second one colors perfectly because it's closed shape. So how do we turn the first line into the second? By expanding appearance, we change a path into a shape. Now with one as a path and the other as a shape, I want to color in the middle. Coloring on the left looks like this. On the right, after expanding appearance, splitting, ungrouping, remove the extra lines, I still couldn't color the middle because it wasn't complete shape yet. So I add a new background color block, merge them, and then delete the background. This creates the middle area we needed. Now I color it in, and we'll keep using this method for the rest of our drawing. Alright, let's get started with this project. Create a hexagon and flatten it completely. Then click to create an airbrush. This will mimic the effect of a pressure-sensitive brush. If you're new to painting and not sure where to put highlights or shadow on skin, try this. Import your image into Photoshop and add 2 adjustment layers. The first layer should simplify the image to just 3 or 4 colors. Add a black and white layer to make everything clearer and easier to see the different levels. For beginners who feel overwhelmed, this method can really help you see what you're doing. But if you are serious about getting better at painting, it's better to take some actual painting classes. Now, let's look at the common mistake. Some folks know where the highlights or shadows should go, but their work ends up look stiff because there's no smooth translation between the skin tones. I could give you the skin colors I use, but they might not work for your project. Instead, I'll show you the technique. Create 2 colored blocks for the skin, one dark and one light. Select both. Hit the blend tool to mix them into a smooth gradient. And then pick colors with the eyedropper tool. Let's practice this. Keep adding translation colors between the 2 blocks. And you start to see how it comes together more naturally.